Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
According to Livestrong, you can turn any sauce or liquid into a glaze by carefully boiling it to reduce the water content, leaving it thicker as the water evaporates. But, as Olive Nation asserts, this is technically just a reduction, a thicker sauce with concentrated flavors.
Take our lead.
The teriyaki sauce may be used as a quick marinade to grill or bake fish or seafood used in sushi and other dishes. The glaze, on the other hand, is formed by thickening the sauce so that it turns into a shiny concoction that can be brushed on cooked or raw meat to enhance the flavor.
Let's help you make your mark.
Reduction is performed by simmering or boiling a liquid such as a stock, fruit or vegetable juices, wine, vinegar, or a sauce until the desired concentration is reached by evaporation. This is done without a lid, enabling the vapor to escape from the mixture.
Make your mark, take our lead.
By simmering a braise, soup, or other liquid, you can thicken the consistency and end up with a more concentrated and intense flavor. The main trick to reducing in cooking is to give your liquid enough time to simmer in an uncovered pan. Reducing in cooking is an easy way to make delicious gravies, syrups, and stocks.
Let's help you make your mark.
Adding any type of starch to a glaze will thicken it quickly. For every 1 cup of glaze, mix together 1 tablespoon each of cornstarch in cool water or other cooking liquid. Whisk this mixture into the glaze and simmer it, stirring often, until the sauce thickens.
Let's help you make your mark.
The formula here is pretty simple. Keep adding more liquid until the glaze reaches the right consistency. If it gets too thin, add more powdered sugar to thicken. This kind of glaze is made at room temperature, and the consistency is simply adjusted with the ingredients, and can be adjusted as needed.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.